Health authorities will discuss the fate of 4 Australians trapped on board the virus-hit Grand Princess cruise ship with US officials today. 21 people on board have tested positive.
I'll be talking tomorrow, as I do weekly, with our American counterparts, and we'll be getting the latest update in relation to this matter. And I will be reinforcing that we all should learn from the Diamond Princess experience, and the Diamond Princess experience was pretty clear about what happened over time in relation to the spread of the virus and how difficult it is to run a quarantine station essentially on a ship.
One of the Australians is Gold Coast-born Kylie Chappell, who is a crew member on the ship. Who works as a cast manager and performer and lives in San Antonio in Texas. As Julia Bradley reports, President Donald Trump has signed off on a multi-billion-dollar emergency bill to deal with the outbreak.
Another cruise ship contaminated from COVID-19. More than 2,000 passengers on board the Grand Princess remain in limbo as authorities scramble to contain the virus.
21 individuals on the Grand Princess tested positive. Among those were 19 crew members.
They would like to have the people come off. I'd rather have the people stay, but I'd go with them. I told them to make the final decision. I would rather, because I like the numbers being where they are. I don't need to have the numbers double because of one ship.
The outbreak is linked to a passenger from a previous tour. A 71-year-old Californian man with underlying health issues died on Wednesday. He contracted the virus last month. More than 60 people from the previous voyage are still on board.
We know many of the people on the cruise ship are in their 60s, 70s, and 80s, and we want to make sure, as we know, that that's a more vulnerable group, that we pay special attention to anybody who has any comorbidities or other conditions. And so we're working very hard with the people on the ship and the medical team there to make sure that their health and welfare is prioritized.
President Trump has signed off on a $12.5 billion emergency aid bill to combat the outbreak, which has already killed 14 people in the United States. The White House acknowledging it doesn't have enough test kits to keep up with demand.
All passengers and crew will be tested for the coronavirus. Those that need to be quarantined will be quarantined. Those that require additional medical attention will receive it.
Julia Bradley, Sky News.